Hi, I'm Mia from Enjo. I'm going to show you the new multi-tool. This is our window cleaner. I have taken the blade off, that's very easy. To show you quickly how it works. If you have the 32 centimeter one, you just have to take off the end pieces, and that's practically your window cleaner handle. The new multi-tool is practically just a flat base, which you just put in here, line up with the arrows, and if you do it right, you can just push this in, and you have now a base that swivels, unlike the window cleaner. So this multi-tool comes with two fibers. One is the outdoor fiber for heavier dirt, one is the indoor fiber, nice and soft. So you just push it in here. Here's a little thing you can pull out and you have your fiber on. It's nice and soft. Yeah, but that's not all. You can take this part of the window cleaner off to put in your floor cleaner pole. I have a bit of arthritis in my hands, so just push. See, that's the good thing about Enjo. You can just take the floor cleaner pole. Sorry, I'm not in my bathroom. Someone was kindly giving me their bathrooms or their powder room so I can try it. Put the pole in, line up with the holes, and I can't see it. Oh, here we are. Take your window cleaner E-clip, put it in to secure it. I need my glasses, otherwise I can't do it right. This is ridiculous. Well, once you have secured your swiveling part, we just assume we have done that. So here we have a very high mirror. First of all, this is dry, it is dry, and you can just dust the walls with it. Say it collects a little bit of dust. It's not as good as the dust fiber, but it's actually not meant to do it dry. You just, like all the time, use a little bit of water, spray it on your fiber. Spray water on your fiber. I'm just putting the light back on so you can see what the thing does. So can you see how dirty the mirror is up there? So I can't reach this, obviously. Not in 100 years. I have to go on a step ladder. We all know most accidents in the household happen when people step on ladders or footstools, chairs, whatever people use. So we can use this on the entire mirror. And now I'm taking the blight, put it back on. And I dry it nicely. You could also turn the blight around and have the blight like this. So as you clean, the blade is drying off after what you did. See that? So we would dry off here a little bit, but it's still a little wet. So now we are going here because I want to show you the window. This is a window. I'm cleaning this house as domestic cleaner, and this is a window I have not done once in 9 years. I let them do it themselves, but today I surprised them. I do this window. So once again, spray on water, and I'm doing so. I'm just now I can reach this window, which would be impossible to do. Would be impossible to do for me without a step ladder. Take the blade, dry off. It's perfect. Oh look, we've got a picture here as well. See the picture? I'll do that all with the sign tool. So, dry it off. So, we also can wash the walls with it. I don't know if you saw this little dirt there, but it's gone. And now we are not finished. It's very versatile. You can also use it on your floor. So how do I show you this best? Just take the blight off, and the areas where you don't have much excess, you can easily go underneath and around the toilet. So let's just take this out too. And I didn't secure it. You saw that I have arthritis on my hands. I sometimes can't grip things. So, and you have your floor cleaner. So this multi-tool has so many uses, and you can do your pool, your outside spa, your inside spa. I've done big spas with it, and it's just comes very handy for areas that you can't reach very well. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.